Hey there, car enthusiasts and curious drivers. Ever turned off your car and heard some strange noises? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of post-shutdown car sounds. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at distinguishing between normal quirks and potential problems. Let's get started. One normal post-shutdown symphony. First things first, not all noises are bad news. Let's explore the normal sounds you might hear. Radiator cooling fan, a gentle whir from the front. Fuel pump, a brief, high-pitched whine from the back. Electric power steering, a fading whir. AC compressor, a short groan. These sounds usually last less than a minute. Think of them as your car's way of winding down after a long day, just like how you might stretch after sitting for a while. 2. When whirring becomes worrisome. But how do you know when these noises cross the line from normal to concerning? Look out for these red flags. Duration, anything lasting over a minute. Intermittency, start-stop sounds. Volume, unusually loud or harsh noises. Remember, your car shouldn't sound like it's throwing a post-shutdown party. 3 common culprits of abnormal whirring. Now, let's play detective and uncover some usual suspects. Alternator bearing damage. Faulty tensioner or idler pulley. Power steering pump issues. Cooling fan module problems. Bent fan blade. Each of these issues has its own unique sound signature. For example, a worn alternator bearing might sound like a persistent whine, while a bent fan blade could produce a rhythmic scraping noise. If you love watching the video and found something useful, hit the like and subscribe button for more videos on topics like that. 4. DIY diagnosis. Feeling brave? Here's how you can play car doctor. 1. Listen carefully to timing and duration. 2. Locate the general area of the sound. 3. Visually inspect belts and pulleys. 4. Watch your cooling fan behavior. 5. Use an OBD2 scanner for error codes. But remember, if you're unsure, it's always best to consult a professional. Your safety comes first. 5. Preventive maintenance, silencing future whirs. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Here's how to keep those weird noises at bay. Replace serpentine belts and pulleys every 60,000 to 90,000 miles. Flush power steering fluid every 30,000 miles. Test alternator output and battery charging monthly. Regularly inspect belts. Use high-quality replacement parts. Think of it as giving your car a spa day. It'll thank you with smooth, quiet performance. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. You're now equipped to decipher your car's post-shutdown language. Remember, a little attention goes a long way in preventing major issues down the road. Have you experienced any weird car noises? Share your stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep those engines purring and those post-shutdown noises in check.